and who really believes that they are the Annadatas of the country. Modi called them Annadata. Nirmala Sitharaman called them Annadata. But that is hollow, only lip service. In the heart of heart, they call these people.
They are just saying.
As anti-nationals,
Yeah.
as Khalistanis,
Yeah.
as urban Naxalites. But on the lips they call Annadatas. No, they are the real Annadatas. They are the Indians. Modi talk about the Mann Ki Baat. Kya Mann Ki Baat? Come and see. Here is the mind of India. If he wants to listen to the Mann Ki Baat, come here to Singhu and Tikri and see what is the India's Mann Ki Baat. They prove themselves that they are the disciples of Guru Nanak. They prove they are the brothers and sisters and sons and daughters of Bhagat Singh. And their voice has to be addressed with due importance and respect.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਦੋਸਤੋ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਨਿਰਪੱਖ ਪੋਸਟ। ਮੈਂ ਹਾਂ ਮਨਦੀਪ ਸਿੰਘ ਔਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਖਾਸ ਸ਼ਖਸੀਅਤ ਮੌਜੂਦ ਨੇ। ਖਾਸ ਤੌਰ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਕੇਰਲਾ ਤੋਂ ਆਏ ਨੇ। ਕੇਰਲਾ ਦੇ MP ਮੈਂਬਰ ਨੇ, ਮੈਂਬਰ ਆਫ ਪਾਰਲੀਮੈਂਟ, ਔਰ ਦਿਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਜ਼ਬਾਤ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਬਿਨੋਈ ਵਿਸ਼ਵਮ ਜੀ, ਜਿਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਨਾਂ ਵੀ ਬੜਾ ਖੂਬਸੂਰਤ ਹੈਗਾ। ਔਰ ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣੇ ਪੁੱਛ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਮਤਲਬ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ। ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਹੰਬਲ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਯਾਨੀ ਕਿ ਹਲੇਮੀ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਹੈ, ਹਲੇਮੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਿਸ਼ਵਾਸ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਹੈ। ਔਰ ਸਾਡੀ ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਵੀ ਇਹੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ Hoa Halemi Raj Jio. Welcome, sir. So you have come here, and the national media is saying that the farmers who are agitating here has been misguided.
Before I answer your question, let me clarify. I came here not as an MP. I came here not as a former minister. I was a minister also in Kerala. But I came here as a working class activist, as an activist of the AITUC. I felt it is my class duty, political duty, and social duty, and brotherly duty to come here and tell the Kisans here that we all are with them. And this is not the first time I come here.
Okay.
I came here many times.
Okay.
This is the fourth time. I came here. I was walking with my friends all around the streets here. Every day I am coming here. I eat with them. I talk with them. I get my friendship with them. And only this day I entered that stage. I was restraining from entering that stage. I came not to become a big Netaji here. I came here as an Indian, a right-thinking Indian. An Indian who knows the importance of the farming sector and who really believes that they are the Annadatas of the country. Modi called them Annadata. Nirmala Sitharaman called them Annadata. But that is hollow, only lip service. In the heart of heart, they call these people.
They are just saying.
As anti-nationals.
Yeah.
As Khalistanis,
Yeah.
as urban Naxalites.
Yeah.
But on the lips they call Annadatas. No, they are the real Annadatas. They are the Indians. Modi talk about the Mann Ki Baat. Kya Mann Ki Baat? Come and see. Here is the mind of India. If he wants to listen to the Mann Ki Baat, come here to Singhu and Tikri and see what is the India's Mann Ki Baat.
Yeah. Yeah.
India speaks here. India throbs here. India is living here. And day and night, hot and cold, they sleep here for the country and for the future. They prove themselves that they are the disciples of Guru Nanak.
Yes.
They prove they are the brothers and sisters and sons and daughters of Bhagat Singh. And their voice has to be addressed with due importance and respect.
Sir, actually, I was interviewing few days back to the South Indian farmers, and he was saying that he has been arrested by police because he was coming here in Punjab, then I asked him that why you have been arrested by police. That what if it was your fault? That he was saying that my fault was that I was coming here. So how you see this kind of things doing by police?
Now, since Modi government came to power, the country witnessed this. Whoever speaks for truth are put behind bars. Whoever come to a struggle, they are called as anti-nationals. So this is the narration which they have already created. With this narrative of lies and half-truths, they want to mislead the people. Ultimately, they will be defeated. The country see this. A government that has never cared to have a talk with the striking people for the first time. Now they have come down to have a talk with the people on the struggle front. It is only the first step, and this struggle will continue, and the people will win. And this struggle has to continue till the ultimate victory. One more thing,
Yes.
I saw him bowing in the Gurudwaras.
Yeah.
I requested Modi on that day in my papers that before going to the Gurudwara for a drama, he should have read the Guru Granth Sahib, which talk eloquently about nature and the relationship between the man and the nature and the significance of the kheti, agriculture. And it shows that those peasants, they are the people who are the real part of nature, the sons of the soil, daughters of the soil. Without listening to them, without keeping an ear for them, what sincerity Modi has to go and stage a drama there? People understand their drama. People know the truth. And that is why from all over the country, people are flowing to these places of Siggu and Tikri and Kasipur to hear the real mind of India.
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਸੋ ਮਚ ਸਰ ਐਂਡ ਸਰ ਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਦਾ ਫਰਮਾਨ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਕੂੜ ਨਿਖੁੱਟੇ ਨਾਨਕਾ ਓੜਕ ਸੱਚ ਰਹੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਸਰ
What was the words you told?
actually I'm not so fluent in English but I will try to tell you I was saying that false will one day ultimately the false will get eliminated and the truth will be you can say will win. You can say I'm not so fluent.
In Gurbani, what the Granth Sahib has told about the Kisan, what actually
Actually in Gurbani, Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj says that man hali kirsani karni saram pani tan khet naam beej santokh suhaga rakh garibi ves. Like your name, the meaning of your name is humble. So Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj says that you have to be humble and it's you have come to this earth to do it's a farming. You every day maybe you are not a farmer, you are not growing grains and all these kind of things, but in mind you are a farmer in mind and you grow bad and I'm not so fluent actually.
you know this?
ਮੈਂ ਇਹ ਕਿਹਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਵੀ ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਇਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਆ ਕਿ ਮਨ ਹਾਲੀ ਕਿਰਸਾਣੀ ਕਰਨੀ ਸਰਮ ਪਾਣੀ ਤਨ ਖੇਤ ਨਾਮ ਬੀਜ ਸੰਤੋਖ ਸੁਹਾਗਾ ਰੱਖ ਗਰੀਬੀ ਵੇਚ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਜੀ ਤੇ ਉਹੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਮਨ ਦੇ ਤੌਰ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਕਿਰਸਾਨ ਹੀ ਆ ਕਿਰਸਾਨੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਮਾੜੇ ਚੰਗੇ ਕਰਮਾਂ ਦੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਰਸਾਨੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਔਰ ਜੋ ਬੀਜਦੇ ਆ ਉਹੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੱਢਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਅਲਟੀਮੇਟਲੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ
he exactly translated earlier, like everybody is in a process of cultivation, that we will give it to you for your article. Yes, thank you.
And the next time when I interview you I will improve my English also.
I will try to improve my Hindi also.
Yeah. Thank you so much sir. Thank you.
Quid pro quo.
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਸੋ ਮਚ ਸਰ।
ਪੰਜਾਬ ਅਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਅਤ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜਿਆ ਹਰ ਮੁੱਦਾ, ਹਰ ਖਬਰ ਨਿਰਪੱਖ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੱਕ ਪਹੁੰਚਣ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਦੇਵੋ ਸਾਡਾ ਸਾਥ। ਤਾਂ ਹੁਣੇ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਰੋ ਸਾਡਾ ਫੇਸਬੁੱਕ ਪੇਜ, ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ YouTube ਤੇ ਅਤੇ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰੋ ਇੰਸਟਾ ਅਤੇ ਟਵਿੱਟਰ ਤੇ ਨਿਰਪੱਖ ਪੋਸਟ, ਖਬਰ ਦੀ ਨਿਰਪੱਖ ਆਵਾਜ਼। ਵਿਜ਼ਿਟ ਕਰੋ www.nirpakhpost.com।